Right, we are in the Marion Lake area, just outside of Essex in the Flathead Range on Wednesday, December 3rd. And taking a look at our snowpack structure here, the snowpack itself is definitely deeper than in other places, like when we were up in Skyland, deeper than in the Whitefish Range as well. What we have going on is last weekend's storm snow, really light snow kind of near the top, about 16 inches, 12 to 16 inches of that, sitting on top of a pretty thick crust, about a 6 or 7 inch crust that formed on Thanksgiving and the day before from rain and really warm temps, so some sort of temperature crust there. Below that crust, above that crust actually, we have a layer that could become problematic. It's a pretty weak, as you can see, soft layer sitting above that crust. So right now we have a bit of a slab sitting on top of it, but if we put more of a slab or get some wind, and that this existing slab becomes more cohesive, then we could have problems because this crust is going to be a really good bed surface. Below the crust we have a harder one-finger slab until we get near the ground, and near the ground is where we have that old weak snow that formed during the mid-November cold snap, and it's still there. Even though snowpack here is a bit deeper, we still have signs of weak snow near the ground. So we kind of have two major layers of concern right now: this weak snow near the ground still, and this weak snow and crust combination near the surface. We did a stability test, did two of them, and upon isolation of our column, which is 90 centimeters wide, so as we were cutting the back of the column, the entire slab failed at the ground two times in a row. And at the bottom here we have a ice mass and then some weak snow right at the ground. Again, those facets, that weak snow near the ground, is causing problems.